finally made it to a windy, cloudy Peniscola.
Yeah.
Well, this just goes to show, doesn't it, that it's not all glamorous park-ups. Because all the reviews we've read on Park tonight, people have parked in places and the police have, apparently the police have come and moved them on. Right, well, after 3 hours of driving,
In brilliant, beautiful sunshine.
yeah, we finally made it to a windy, cloudy Peniscola.
Yes.
Looks nice though. The sun's shining down that way, Anna.
Yeah.
And there's an old town as well that we're going to go and explore.
I think we're cursed.
I think we're cursed as well,
Cursed,
aren't we?
yeah.
I'm chasing the sun and we haven't managed to bloody find it
We need
yet,
to get a
unless we've been
selfie.
sat in the van.
We need to get a selfie with the
So,
sign.
and parking as well is proving to be a little bit difficult at the moment, but we'll see how we'll get along with that, because all the reviews we've read on Park tonight, people have parked in places and the police have, apparently the police have come and moved them on. So we'll see how we get on. There we go, we're here now.
We are.
Let's see what this is like. Start the climb up to the old town. It also looks like they're set up for Christmas markets there behind us.
Yeah.
So don't know when it's open.
Sure. Reminds me of Greece.
Yeah. So Peniscola has also been used in, I believe, a number of filming
I'm sure.
locations, film sets. One of those being what?
I'm sure it's Game of Thrones.
Okay.
I'm going to Google it.
Yeah, we'll have a look, but it has been used for film
What
sets.
is that? So, films that have been filmed here were El Cid, Indiana Jones, and obviously Game of Thrones.
Right, cool.
Yeah, nice.
So if you do come here, it is a ticket entry
Yeah,
to the
it's not
castle,
much.
which is
It's only €5.
€5, which is good.
Yeah.
But if you've got a dog, you can't bring dogs in,
No, I can't do dogs. You have to be dressed appropriately.
dressed appropriately. So we've got Isla, so
You can't go in.
You're not going to go in.
In the 50s, a group of neighbours began to place a few shells on the front of the house. Nowadays, the front is totally covered by seashells and has become a place to stop and visit in the city. So cool.
I guess if you're going to come here in the season, then there are lots of restaurants and bars and things to sit at and have a drink or a bite to eat. Obviously we're here out of season, so much of it's closed at the moment, but there has been one or two places open, hasn't there?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Like here, for example. There's one or two little gift shops open as well. I think the only thing we're looking for is a sticker, isn't it?
Yeah.
Takes us back to here, look, where we came up.
Alright, cool.
Right. Well, we think we found somewhere for tonight.
Yeah.
Well, we've parked there anyway, so
We just hope we don't get moved on.
see how it goes. I think we'll be alright.
Yeah.
So heading back out now to go and see the mini Christmas market.
Yes. You're right. Anna's got a hat on in Spain.
I know, it's not that cold though.
It is.
It was earlier, I must admit.
It is cold.
It was a bit cold earlier.
She's got my boots on.
So yeah, so heading back out. Gonna have a check the Christmas market out. And then don't know after that.
And I'm going to sit in the dark.
Yeah. we don't hunt out the drama stuff, do we?
Why?
We just don't.
No.
We just put together our videos of our journeys and our travels. If things happen, we'll put it on.
Yeah.
We don't hunt it out. So see you at the Christmas market.
Yep.
That was just a bit of a ramble.
Wasn't it? Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
Oh well. See you there. There is a couple of places open
Yeah.
to eat and drink, so it's not entirely
That's pretty there.
closed, is it?
Isn't it?
Oh yeah. We go
Trying to
straight
find a way to the
through.
market.
I think if we go straight through there and then turn right. Wow, that's absolutely stunning tonight. Beautiful.
Oh, how pretty is
Oh no,
this?
so I'm glad we come back out tonight
Yeah.
to see this. It's absolutely fantastic. Look at all the lights
Oh, wow.
on the castle walls and even on the balconies of the houses up there. Look,
So pretty.
isn't it?
Oh.
You get a totally different perspective of places, don't you?
Yeah.
At different times of the year.
Yeah, I know.
This place would be scorching hot and ram-packed during the summer.
Wow.
All the bars and restaurants would be open, but Christmas, there's a few places open and it's all decorated nicely for Christmas. Oh, look at the tree. Look at the tree. Be fine.
Aquí sí. Pasa por aquí, por perder no sé. En la plaza sí.
Beautiful. Well, this just goes to show, doesn't it, that it's not all glamorous park ups. It's a car park last night in Peniscola. Close to town though, so that was convenient. About a 10-minute walk to the market. There are other park ups available, but they're a bit further out of town. So we found that I think the blue zones are unrestricted. Many of the car parks at the moment, the ticket machines are covered up because obviously it's out of season. But yeah, it wasn't a glamorous park up. But like I say, it was convenient and free. Bit noisy during the night. Bins got emptied early this morning, and we had people leaving for work as well. But it served a purpose. Well, the journey continues. We are now in Calpe.